A brand new comedy series is set to make waves on Hulu. Deli Boys, created by Abdullah Saeed, follows two privileged Pakistani American brothers who find themselves entangled in crime after their father's unexpected death. Meet, played by Asif Ali, and Raj, played by Saagar Shaikh, inherited nothing but their family Delhi after the FBI seizes their assets. Left with no choice, they dive into their father's secret drug business despite having zero criminal experience. The brothers must now navigate the dangerous underworld, dealing with Peruvian Cartel, the Italian Mafia, and of course some questionable Tastykakes. The show boasts an incredible cast, including Poorna Jagannathan as a ruthless crime boss, Brian George in a rare comedic role, and Alfie Fuller as a quirky spiritual guide. Creator Abdullah Saeed shared his excitement about bringing a fresh perspective to television, highlighting the fun, unpredictable nature of the show. Deli Boys premieres Thursday on Hulu, with all episodes available for streaming. Get ready for a roller coaster of crime, comedy, and chaos.